Here's why rebranding is not a do-it-yourself job. Rebranding your business should never be taken lightly. In fact, I usually discourage my clients from taking this on unless they are fully committed to taking a leap. I'm Carmen, boss lady of Network 9, and I'm obsessed with your success. Rebranding is not redesigning your logo. That's a logo redesign. It is reinventing your entire visual and verbal message. That means how every visual part of your marketing looks, from your website, the photos you choose, your LinkedIn header image, to your newsletter design. Your verbal message is how you speak about your business in person, to your customers, on your website, in your emails, videos, even your own internal team. Here's why hiring a branding agency to work with you, even if you already have a marketing team, is very beneficial. Number one, you get an unbiased perspective on your business. The reason you're thinking of rebranding is because you have a marketing or sales problem. Get a fresh eye from someone who knows what to look for and has no emotional attachment to what you're already doing. You and your team are too close to it. Number two, you'll tap into a new bank of resources. Research, strategy, and design services are all key components to a brand, and you may not have all of these unique skills in your internal marketing team. An agency will bring in new ideas and unique vendors they have already vetted and will manage. And number three, it will get done much faster. An outside agency isn't handling the everyday things a small marketing team usually does. They have an army of resources to get all the different components done. They oversee the design and the writing, so it's consistent, which is necessary to every successful rebrand. And you have one point person to handle it, simplifying the process and supporting you in the transition. Rebranding gives a company a new competitive edge, attracts new customers, and re-inspires your entire team when it's done right. So when you're considering reinventing your brand, don't go it alone. Call the boss lady, because I'm hell-bent on creatively guiding companies to win new business.